Well, got a new gun. So this just came in. I picked it up used off a guy. Said he's had it for a couple months and looks like great shape. It's the Redline ez50. Came with a bunch of different bottles, just spares. So pretty excited to try it out. One thing I have noticed is air fitting in the gun itself isn't in there very good. I put like a zip tie to try to tighten it down, but I don't know, we'll see if it affects anything. But pretty much spent this whole weekend working on a new booth. I was spraying in this plastic tent pretty much. And I mean it worked, but there's just powder getting everywhere. So I wanted to try to come up with something better. Something that'll contain it and actually have a filter in it to try to suck everything up. So that's what I did. I built a full rack. I had some old industrial shelf uprights. So I used those. And I got some rods that I can use to adjust up and down. And I put a couple hooks up. And I got a bearing up there so they spin real easy. Same with this one. So that'll be nice. For the base, I used a bed frame. Cut it up to what I wanted and welded her all together. I just bolted the uprights on, just in case for some reason I gotta take them off. But I got my ground straight outside to an 8-foot rod. Having a lot of problems with back ionization and all that shit, so that's why I bought the new gun and figured I'd build an actual rack that's grounded. So I got a filter set up now finally. So this is just a furnace air filter. I just took some angle iron, built a channel so it'll slide into it. Just a 20-inch box fan. Pick it up right at Home Depot, Lowe's, 20 bucks. And I screwed it right to the fan. So now that sits in there nice. I got a window behind the tarp. So if anything does come out, it's going to blow outside instead of inside. So yeah, I think it's going to be a lot nicer. I'm hoping anyways. We'll see. Still haven't had a chance to try it out. But yeah, getting pretty set up. I got both my ovens. Little parts rack. I got my blaster. Still need to get a better air compressor. But, you know, one thing at a time. And I also have started building a bigger oven. I'll bring it down here. Check that girl out. So really I'm just mocking it up right now. I'm not setting anything in stone yet. But getting there. So pretty much it was a big ass fucking tool gang box. As it sits right now, it's 4 by 4 by 5. So pretty much I'm happy with the sides and the depth, but I want to go up at least another foot. I'm trying to get it to about 6 foot. So I got some more work to do. I'm gonna go 4 by 4 by 6. But I mean, smaller frames and everything would fit in this, no problem. I'm not sure about an actual quad frame, and that's what I'm shooting for. I don't want to build one and then be unhappy with it and have to modify down the road. So yeah, that's what I got going right now. Still a lot of work, that's for sure. But I did score a free oven and free propane cooktop that came with a nice blower. So, parts is parts, you know. Can't go wrong. It's got 2 elements, a light. It's got the thermostat. Got some glass. So, I mean, it is what it is, man. Parts is parts. So I got the stove upstairs and I got this one here. So that'll be nice. Hopefully I'll be able to throw 4 elements in this, and with that blower to get stuff moving around, kind of keep it more uniform, should be good. So I picked up another box. This one cost me 40 bucks, but it's all, you know, solid steel. So pretty much this one's gonna get ripped apart too. It's gonna be sacrificial for this one. Pretty much gonna use the panels to finish building this what I want. And it is gonna go upstairs with my powder booth and my ovens up there. So I definitely got to build a floor. I'd like to leave it just a roll in so I could slide everything right into it, but wood floor up there, that ain't gonna work out. So it is what it is. I'm trying to make work what I got and call it good, you know. We can't have it all. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I got going on out here. I see all these crazy nice thousands and thousands of dollar booths and thousands of dollars for an oven, and I just don't think it's necessary when you can build it. You know, I'm getting ovens for free that work, getting elements for free, you got all the controllers with it, you know, I can wire it all up myself. Might not be the prettiest, but in the end, it'll do it. And really, that's all we need. Alright, well, stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get a nice big ass oven here soon. Get some more frames going. I got a lot of fucking toys to play with. That's why the amount of money I spend in just going to have stuff powder coated when I want it isn't feasible. So pretty much I figured it's time. It's time to get into it, do it myself. So I got that ATC frame that's in there right now. That's next. That's going in, and then I got the TRX 250 that is on the block after the trike's finished. So definitely need it. Be nice to have my own powder set up. Alright guys, stay tuned. Hopefully we'll have some nice stuff coming up.